In this video, I will show you exactly how to transform the look of your designs by changing element colors in Adobe Express using the Creative Hue process. Whether you are working with a basic geometric shape or a detailed icon, mastering the color controls is essential for creating a professional and cohesive brand aesthetic. To get started, open your project and select the specific element on your canvas that you want to modify. Once you click on the shape or icon, you will notice that the Properties panel automatically appears on the left side of your screen. This panel contains all the adjustment options available for that specific object. Look closely for a solid circular icon known as the Fill Color Swatch. Clicking this circle will open up a comprehensive color menu with several powerful ways to find the perfect shade. The first and easiest method is using the preset swatches. You can simply browse the predefined color palette and click any swatch to apply it instantly to your element. This is great for quick edits and keeping things simple. However, if you need to match a specific color that is already present elsewhere in your design, you should use the eyedropper tool. Just click the eyedropper icon and then move your cursor over to any part of your canvas and click to sample that exact color directly. This ensures perfect harmony across all your assets. For those of you who need absolute precision or are working with specific brand guidelines, you can utilize the hex code field. Simply type in your specific 6-digit color code into the input box to achieve a 100% accurate match. By alternating between these three methods, you can gain complete control over your creative vision. Experiment with different combinations to see how they change the mood of your graphic. That is all it takes to master color adjustments. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope these tips help you create something amazing today.